Hey Leggari friends, we're going to show you kit number 18. It has a black base and brass highlights. We also used a tan spray paint for added depth. Our epoxy countertop kits are DIY friendly. You can coat over your existing countertops like Formica, wood, concrete, laminate, and more. Check out how easy the process is.
Okay, we're getting ready to apply the base coat. Obviously at this point, you're gonna have plastic down, counters have been prepped, you've already primed. So I have it mixed up here. We're gonna pour the bead right down the middle. Real quick guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel and you click the bell button so you get notified every time we launch a new video.
Wow, such a cool look. Thanks for watching, everyone. There are endless looks and techniques that you can do. We have over 20 colors to choose from. There's one perfect for your home. Order your kit in the description below and transform your countertops today. See you all next time.